Stackplots or area plots are an excellent visualization tool for displaying cumulative data changes over time, making them useful for trend analysis. So to start off, let's import our necessary libraries, starting with import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. And for this tutorial, we'll be using a different type of plotting theme style. So to select that style, we'll use plt.style.use, and we'll be using the 538 is what is called style to give us a little kind of coloring when we're going to be plotting our graphs. A stack plot is effective for tracking cumulative totals and category breakdowns over time. Let's say we want to track points scored by 3 players over several games. We are going to need to define our x-axis, which are going to be values that could represent a different game or each game, and the y-axis for each player, and we'll be tracking the points that they scored over the games. So let's create a new code cell here, and let's create our games list, and we're going to have a few games here. So let's say we want 6 games. Now we need to generate some kind of list of points for each player. So let's say player 1 points equals, and a list of 5, 7, 6, 8, 7, 10, and do copy and paste player 2, player 3 equals, and let's say 3, 5, 4, 6, 4, 6, and here again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. To create our stack plot, we'll use the stackplot method from PLT. So stackplot. Then we're going to provide the x value, which is going to be games. And then here we could provide basically multiple y values. So it's going to be player 1, player 2, and player 3. And of course, every plot needs a title. And we're going to call it points scored by player over time. And of course, we need an X label. It's going to be games. And a Y label, which is going to be points. And last but not least, plt.show. And here we have our stack plot. And like I mentioned before, the x-axis represents each game and the time of each game at each point. The y-axis is a list of different points scored by each player across each game. Now, this chart can get a little bit confusing because we do not know which color represents which player, so we could of course add labels here as well. So we could do labels equals and provide a list in the same order that we provided the values here as well for the y-axis. So first position is player 1, so we will call that player 1. Then player 2 and player 3. And of course we want to add the legend, and let's put it in the upper left. We could position it in different places in the chart. And when we run this, we can see our color legend. We can also customize the colors of these stack plots. And to do that, we just need to add a colors list, either by name or by hexadecimal code. So let's provide a hexadecimal code. For example, FF9999 and 66B3F and 9999. And in our Stackplot method, we provide colors parameter with, let's make this colors list. And when we run this, we changed each of the colors. Become a member at AILearningHub.io and get access to personalized mentor guidance, early access to AI resources, help with AI projects, and a great learning community.